Honorable Health Minister simulated me in casualty on 7th.
Sir, can you please
Loudly?
be loud?
Come little further, sir. Come little further, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So our demand is that because of that incident is that we require public apology in the casualty itself. The Honorable Minister should apologize in the casualty. That is our demand.
So any deadline you all have given?
No, we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately.
What if he does not apologize?
So because we are supported by the GARD, that's Agency Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty doctors association, as well as the doctors all over the India. So if it is not been accepted, then we will
Please.
Can you narrate?
Any discussion with the minister? We have discussion with him.
We already have a discussion with the DC. We have given memorandum in the morning session.
So can you just tell what exactly what happened?
On that 7th actually, the incident was nothing. Someone relative came asking to give an injection, or just a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injection was actually emergency requirement, so not part of the emergency injection.
Dr. Mashullah or Mashullah
Vitamin B12 injection is not an emergency injection. So we say we go to the or nearby PSCs because it is not an emergency injection.
Okay. So this is the first incident happened in GMC, or earlier also something like that.
This was the first incident which I had.
But they don't casualty allowed.
No, casualty our emergency department is a tertiary care hospital. Tertiary care hospital is the highest level of the healthcare system of Goa, where only serious critical patient has to be entered. Nowadays, anything means even minor cases are coming to the GMC emergency department. So there is a protocol that only the serious cases has to be seen. Giving injection is never, that is also vitamin B12 injection is never an emergency.
मिनिस्टरान काल इथून
एका चॅनलाचे
apology मागल्या.
तुम्ही एक्सेप्ट करता
ते तुमचं पाहून
I have seen the video, but it was studio apology. So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happen, in front of the people.
It should be recorded.
It could be recorded, and as the it went viral, my humiliation went viral. The same thing has to be also should be viral as well. Because I was humiliated completely that day, so I want every people to know his apology.
तुम्ही firm stand राहते.
By when Minister should apologize?
No, it could be within 24 hours. He has to apologize.
Okay. Feeling which you will be going to the
Strike will be continued.
Continue.
Yeah, thank you.
Be the complete shutdown of the services of the hospital.
Yeah, it will be complete shutdown.
shutdown of
We have already given
services of the hospital.
yeah, we have already given
So service will be cut down.
yeah, so this is
With treatment and all.
From when?
we give it 24 hours.
So videography केला त्याची तुमका आक्षेप हा कारण allowed नाही.
I think it's morning. It's Dean is already informed about this thing and discussing about the video.
अनेक शटडाऊन लिगली पॉसिबल असं
तर जेन्ना तुम्ही शटडाऊन करतले खुबशे पेशंट आसतले
That we can ask the team.
पूण ट्रीटमेंट बी पेशंटाक जाय आसता
scheduled surgeries बीन आसता.
क्रिटिकल कंडिशनांनी आसता पेशंट
Emergency initially we'll see, but even if an emergency made, we have given a letter to the dean. The emergency may also shut down.
So no doctors will be working.
We are thinking on it.
But
We are here for the patients. We are here for the patients. That day also, the incident happened. The Honorable HM had told me to go from the casualty at 12 o'clock, but I stayed there till 2:30 till my next doctor come. We are here for the patients. We are not against the patient. We want the proper treatment is to be given to the patient.
ते पेशंट करता पूण आतां तुमी म्हटलें की जर अपॉलॉजी जावना 24 वरां भितर जाल्यार तुमी सर्विसीस बरोवतले पण त्या टायमार तुमकां दिसना खुबशे पेशंट आहात ते पेशंट सफर जावं शकता
We'll see that services, we'll discuss about that and we'll see that the services doesn't serve for the emergency cases.
You will have a support from All India.
Yeah, All India Doctors Association has also supported us.
They spoke to you.
The IMA has informed us.
And you have said also human rights that they are
We might go to human rights.
Whether we will be continue protest here now or
We will be continue protesting.